Hello friends, this is Divya Goel. Welcome to my channel Creative Study with Coding where we'll learn programming in Python from day 1. In this video, we'll learn how to run Python programs by using Python command window and Python IDLE environment. Then we'll see how Python is dynamically typed language with the help of examples and demos. Further, we'll see how everything in Python is an object with the help of examples and demos. So let's get started quickly. To work in command window, follow along the steps or create a desktop shortcut for it. Now here we have a command window opened. One more important thing about command window is that it allows you to write single statement at a time, but you can complete your task. But if there is any error in the program, interpreter will show before completion and you have to fix it first. Now let's see how print function can be used in numerous ways. In Python, if you want to write a program to print a message hello world, is so easy and it can be done in one single statement by writing just hello world in double quotes or a single quotes. Here I am writing hello world in double quotes with print statement and hello world in single quotes with print statement. It will give the same result. And if you want to print different types of values in print function, you can do it very easily. Just write different types of values in print function and separate these with commas. Here I am writing hello world, that is a string, an integer, a float and a complex number in a single print function. And it is not giving any error, it is showing the output. It is happening because Python is dynamically typed language, which says that a programmer need not to define its data type. Let's take another example to add two numbers. Let's say a equal to 9, b equal to 8. Add these two numbers in another variable c equal to a plus b and print the output. Print c. You can get the output over here 17. Now you can understand how Python is dynamically typed language. Let's see how everything in Python is an object. I told you in previous video that Python is object oriented, which means we can create classes and objects in Python. But there is one fact about Python is that everything in Python is an object. Let's see how. For this, first write all the variables of different types, then check its type by using type function. I will discuss about variables in Python in separate video. Let's take a equal to 12, b equal to a string, c equal to a float number, d equal to a complex number, and e equal to a bool or boolean value. Now check the types of these different types of variables with the help of type function along with print function. And it has given class int, that means number is an object of int class. Similarly, you can find the types of all the variables. It is giving class str for string value. Next it is giving class float for float value. Next it is giving class complex for complex value, and next is class bool for boolean value. That means all entities have instantiated from a class. which means these are objects of their corresponding classes. Thus, everything in Python like numbers, string, even functions are objects. With command window, we can write single line code and interpreter checks it line by line. And if you want to write multiple lines at a time, you must use its IDLE, that stands for Integrated Development Learning Environment. For this, follow along the steps to open it or create the desktop shortcut. Here you can write single line code and see the output. But to write multiple lines, go to File and select New File. Here write your all codes of a program and save it with .py extension. I am writing a program to add two numbers. Saving it with name sum.py. Then run it by clicking on run, then on run module, and you can get the output over here. Okay friends, that's it in this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification for upcoming videos. And if you found this video helpful, do subscribe the channel and share it for others.